Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts. He's going to teach a unique technique, a unique kick.
All right, so we're talking about what my style of karate calls the inside roundhouse. So we all know a roundhouse coming up. It's like starting a crescent, except I'm coming up here.
Yeah, like an outside crescent kick, yeah.
Yeah, like an outside crescent kick, yeah. I can have several different targets for this. I can come in for the groin, okay, like, so he's got his left leg forward, so I'm going to come in here.
See that? It sneaks through.
Here. But if I have the flexibility and I want to do it, I can come up.
Oh yeah, right.
For a liver shot.
Right with the shoe.
Yeah.
That's
or floating ribs.
Right. Oh yeah.
Okay, and I can get not super power out of it. I'm going to go turn a little bit. I'm going to try to get as much power as I can.
Oh sure. Oh yeah, yeah. Go again. That has actually got some punch to it. Oh yeah, that is sharp. If you just land that right on either the spleen or the liver, ouch, into the groin. So, so how technically are you doing that? You're just, when you're going from your back foot, are you just angling that?
I am. It starts off like all the other kicks from my style, which is coming up like I'm going in for a front kick, right? Sure. But I'm just going to...
Oh, you're angling it at the last second?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Okay, and the same thing with the front foot.
Uh-huh.
I'm coming up, I could be doing a front kick.
Oh, yeah.
A clean kick.
That is awesome.
Okay, and with the front leg, I like to do what we talked about earlier, is skip.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Skipping it, yeah. That one's actually super deceiving. Remember, it's hitting me all the way over here, or if he's doing it on the other side, it's hitting me all the way over here.
Yeah.
Wow. If I'm going to go up,
yeah,
it's just up. I see, I've always misunderstood this technique. I'm bringing my foot too soon.
Yeah.
It's up and into the groin.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay,
Yeah.
so you're angling it out at the last second?
Yeah.
Could you do it towards the camera one time?
Yeah, absolutely. So, back leg, okay, or lower, coming in there. Front leg, coming in there.
Oh, that's awesome.
And when I was 15, I could hit him in the head with it, but...
He was just telling me he could hit in the head with that, and I've seen different Korean styles do that, and I have pretty good flexibility, but with that one, I'm thinking, no way. Probably never for me, guys. Probably never for me.
Now, be careful of your knee, okay? If you're not bringing it around right, you may have seen me wince once. I did it a little bit wrong on one of those, where I came up and I tried to use my hip to twist it around because I wasn't getting the height I wanted, and I tweaked my knee just a little bit. Okay, so be very careful that you're coming up, that the knee comes up as high as you want to kick, and then you just wrap it around.
And then like Thai style, you could like kick the outside of my elbow like that.
Yeah.
That right there is an interesting weapon. That is a cool kick. Nice. Yeah, absolutely give that one a shot. That is a very unique technique that has many applications.